In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pre-cut your cables when installing your HAAS stainless REVO cable railing system. We post a ton of really helpful cable railing tutorials here on our YouTube channel, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. The first step when pre-cutting your cables for the REVO system is going to be assigning each cable run that you have with a number. Doing so is going to help you stay organized during the pre-cutting process. Once all of your cable runs have been assigned a number, the next step in the process is going to be taking accurate measurements for each cable run in your system. To simplify the pre-cutting process, we recommend rounding each cable run measurement to a whole foot. If you are installing REVO through-post tensioners for your cable run, then you will need to take a measurement from the back sides of your termination post and then round your measurement up to the next foot. So if your cable run measures 12 foot 7 inches, then your final pre-cut length for that cable run will be 13 feet. If you're installing REVO lag tensioners and REVO lag end stops for your run, then you will take a measurement in between your termination post. If your measurement falls at or above the 6-inch mark of a foot, then round your measurement up to the next foot. If your measurement falls below the 6-inch mark of a foot, then round your measurement down to the next foot. Once you have measured and recorded all of the pre-cut lengths for your cable runs, your next step is going to be to pre-cut your cables. Start off by securing your cable reel so that it can easily free spool as you pull out each length of cable. Then, fully extend out a measuring tape so that the zero mark of the measuring tape is approximately 5 feet away from your cable reel. For today's example, we will be using a 100-foot long measuring tape and a cheap yardstake to secure our cable reel so that it can free spool. Once your measuring tape has been laid out and your cable reel secured, reference your cable run pre-cut list and start with your first cable run. For this example, let's say that your first cable run requires you to pre-cut 10 rows of cable at 7 feet long. With your cable cutter in your hand, walk the end of your cable down to the 70-foot mark. And as you walk back towards the cable reel, cut your cable at every 7-foot increment. Once all of the rows of cable have been pre-cut for your run, we recommend securing your bundle of cables with a piece of masking tape and then label your bundle of cables with the cable run number that they correspond with. Repeat the same process for all of the remaining cable runs that you have until all of the cables for your system have been pre-cut. If you have any questions about pre-cutting the cable for your REVO cable railing system, then be sure to drop us a comment below, and if you found today's video helpful, then don't forget to give it a like. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless. Thanks for watching.